You feel it? You feel that, bro? Oh, that's what we call the vibe. The vibe has been harnessed. Oh, the fade out too? The fade out too, dude? Shit. The fade out too. You know, it just doesn't get much better than that. How was my day? It was good. It was good. I did about half as much work as I should have done today. But you know what? We talked about this last time. I'm kind of over this one. I'm kind of over this particular whole job thing. But that's okay. I put in some work, applied to a couple places. You know how it is. I had a pretty good day. I got to take a nap today. That felt really good. Whew. I was behind on sleep. Holy shit. Holy shit, I was behind on sleep. It's hard when you work with Indians. Know what I'm saying? Like people in India. Because when they want to work, it's like 5 in the morning. We're gonna do a couple things today. We're gonna do some porting. I'm gonna port Banana Boy from 3.0 framework to the 4.0 framework. In really, like, you know what? I'm changing the numbering. Let's actually call it this. I'm porting from 0.3 to 0.4 framework, because really the framework itself is still like not even at 1.0 yet, if we're being 100% real. Yo, is this not the sickest crouch animation you've ever seen? Can we talk about how this is just the nastiest fucking crouch animation? Like, don't talk to me or my son ever again. Threat. This is just a power stance right here. Like, what are you gonna do about this? Look at this power stance. Beautiful. Powerful. Powerful. All right. So the thing about this is I got a new keyboard, and this keyboard doesn't have a number pad, and the number pad is required on this 0.3 version, but on the 0.4 version, I'll be able to play both characters by myself, because I'm going to have the keyboard and then the hitbox. So that's the goal today. Get myself ported over to 0.4 so I can play, like, I can actually test stuff against myself. There was something else that I was thinking about, and when I looked at with this thing, I was trying to make it so I could cancel into specials, but not other stuff, right? The giant punch. I wanted to be able to cancel that into banana, but not like jab, and not itself. So we started with state machine for the heavy punch. Let me go back to that. Not even lying, you love Banana Man. Me too, man. Trinidad in the chat. Whenever Trinidad comes through, tell him how much you like Banana Man, because it's literally his brainchild. I needed an idea for a character, and he just started spitting shit at me. He's like, you should make a banana, and the banana is gonna have like a Johnny Appleseed slingshot, and he can shoot the projectiles, and he's gonna be like a banana, but he'll have like a Johnny Appleseed tattoo. And like he like went off on all this stuff. He like gave me this whole backstory for this Banana Man. And then I've been working on it ever since. We still don't have the Johnny Appleseed slingshot. That's like another special move that I need to make. So the banana move on the ground is one special move, and then there's going to be another one that's he pulls out a slingshot, and it's going to be a more traditional fireball. Just like horizontal, but you can also aim it up. That's going to be that. So he's going to have horizontal zoning, ground coverage, and then if people try to jump over the bananas, he's going to shoot them out of the air with the slingshot. That is the design of Banana Man. Still doesn't have a name, though. He needs a name. Thank you, Trinidabbery. I agree, man. All right. So I set that, and I can cancel into Fireball now. But the problem is, so that's what I want to be able to do. But the problem is I can now do this. We don't want to be able to do that, and we don't want to be able to do this. That's the one. See, you don't want to be able to have that in the game. That's what you call poor game design. See, even the compiler was sad about that. It was because the sound kept trying to play while it was already playing. It was more like a warning. I wonder if I should talk to the framework guy about that. We could make that a singleton. I don't know if it'll matter in the long run. I don't know if it is a singleton right now, but probably not if it's calling that. Anyway, so now what I need to do is I need to change the state machine such that when it disables the abilities, it's going to enable only the abilities that I want to enable, and that's going to be Fireball, and that's going to be, I don't know, maybe Jump. Maybe I want to make it Jump cancelable. I don't know. Literal Johnny Appleseed throwing seeds and blocking with trees. It's kind of like that, but he's a banana instead. Yeah. The bananas are going to be the ground hazard, and then you're going to be compelled and encouraged to jump over the banana peels, and then you get fucking sniped, bro. Okay, so let me double check something real quick. Yeah, the ground block for the nannies. The nanny boyos. Okay, here it is. The Act System Update. This is what I need. This is what I need. Act System Update. You come down here, you make this little business, and I need to make this an array. Let me look at this bitch. I need to make the array, and then I need to represent the character owner. And we're setting the act system Boolean list, and the control adjustment, and the movement adjustment. So, Yeah, here we are at the control adjustment and movement adjustment. Here we are at that point for Banana Boy Man. And we want to make the array. That says make array. But I don't actually... It's the green one. Shit. It says make array at the top, but none of my blueprints are actually called make array. I wonder if I... wonder if I try to make this backwards, what happens? Banana Boy Man. Banana Boy Man. Let's try a set. Act system bool. All right. Act system bool. Ooh, there's set character owner. Bool list. How am I gonna get this? What if I do it from here? Act system bool. Yeah, it's not giving it to me. System bool list. Where are you at, though, bruh? I gotta be able to reference my act system boolean list here, but it's being a little bitch boy. Let me see. Here's the act system, and here's the boolean list. There, I need this. Can I copy this? I need to copy this, and I also need to be able to reference the... Let me see. What happens if I copy this? Take this little bitch boy right here. And then go back to the heavy punch. What happens here? Set. Act system bool list. Okay. Okay. Set array. Oh, shit, not that one. Set array. Make array. There it is. Now we're fucking talking, bro. We're putting it together, but there's something I need to add to this. Create variable. I need to make it so it also references the character owner. Character owner. Get it. Get this character owner, and I need to be able to take this blue bitch and put it in here. Character core object is not compatible with an array of booleans. I'm aware of that. See, I'm aware of that part, but I need to make this little chunk create variable. I wonder if I can just make a target here. So I had a dream about making a 16-button version. No, I'm totally memeing. Like, there's no way I'm making a 16-button fighter. That's too many buttons. All right. So, okay. Okay. Here's the Earth. I think I need to figure out what my actions are again, too. The event or the input system. So it starts with, okay, so 4 is fireball. 4 is fireball. 3 is heavy punch. 1 is light punch. 0 is taunt. I'm guessing 2 is jump. I need to write that down as a comment. Add comment. Hey, come here. What did I just say? 4 equals banana ball. Let me get this. Hey, can I get a little tabbage? Let me get a little tabbage here. 3 equals what was it? Heavy punch. 2 equals jump. 1 is light punch. 0 is taunt. Okay. I needed that. All right. Hey man, hope you had a good day too. This is I'm trying to get this really where we got to get this in the spot, you know what I'm saying? A lot of work to do. So it's time to do it. Okay. So here is, oh man, we're so close. Set the value. Promote to variable. This is gonna come out so great. I hope so, man. All right, here we go. Let's just reference the thing. Let's start with this, and let's say you can go into taunt. You cannot go into light punch. You can go into jump. Hopefully, this is jump. You cannot go into heavy punch, and you can go into fireball. This is what we want to do. We want to disable all the abilities except for these ones, and then motherfucking ass. What character are we talking about? Well, we're talking about this character, but duplicate refresh node. How do I actually... I need to make this. Set the value of variable act system boolean list. I need that, but actually I need it... Act system... Set act system boolean list. Wait a second. What the fuck? I need... Okay. Okay. It gave it to me that time. How come I was struggling to find that earlier? What the fuck? Act system bool list. Now it just comes up. Now it's just like, yeah, we got you, bro. All right. And then there's the set character owner. But I need to, like, have that be one node, right? We're setting the target. The act system boolean list. All right, you know what? Let's just delete this. Let's just... What if it works? What if I compile this and I run this in a... What if it just works? Like, did anybody ever think about that? What if this just works? What does taunt do? Is it just for flexing? Yeah. Right now it's just... It kind of like throws a little banana on the ground. Like, you know, he's like... It's like him spitting. Little bitch. Bitch, and throw some fucking... All right. Yeah, taking the gloves off. It's literally him taking the gloves off. That's actually so perfect. Okay. Okay, you can't cancel into himself. Can't cancel into light punch. Cannot cancel into fireball either. Yeah, so it didn't work. I thought that was going to be it, actually. I was feeling it for a second. So yeah, it needs to reference the right character. That's the issue that it's having right now, but I forgot how to actually do that. Why is that? Let me see here. Pull up a little documentation. Okay, give me 1 second here. Link the... Okay, I found it. Hello? Ah! Where is this coming from? Ah! Okay. This is the thing I need. Set access to... What? Are you shitting on my butt? It just works like that? Oh my god. Okay. Alright. I got it. Here we go. You ready? Instead of doing it, I take the character owner. Character owner. Get character owner. And then... then from here I do... set... acts system... bool list. There it goes, and then that's the one. Now there it is. And then I take that little bitch boy and I drag that over here to this right here, and I drag this right here to this right here. I think that's it. This is the thing I made earlier. So this is the picture I made earlier that I was like trying to emulate. This is it, and this is what I got. I think that's right. Stop all. We're basically looking at this chunk. Ba-doop, ba-doop. Ah! Come here. Yeah. That's it right there. Let me see. Hey, where'd you go? There it is. There it is. Damn. This is like really... I can't get this where I want it. I'm trying to just look at it. Okay. There we go. Uh-huh. 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 Oh, shit. The only thing that's different is the array, but that's because the character is not done yet. Let's try it. Sorry, I definitely can talk. The thing about this is I can talk more. I should be able to talk more. It's just like I'm super deep in trying to like actually solve this problem right now. See, it's still not working. I'm just trying to like get this correct before I port it over. It's still not... It should cancel into Fireball there. Why does it not? Nah, dude, I'm just vibing. I am not understanding why this isn't working though, because it's basically the exact same thing. Let me activate all the nodes and see if it's a problem with the array. Do a little
Round one. Fight.
Peeler Man's Banana Boy Man Johnny Appleseed Deluxe. That is what they call him. Like Appler? Appler the Grappler? Hey, I mean, everyone's got to have their main. Everyone's got to have their main. Stop all movement. See, now why the fuck would that not work? Let me see something after this. It's a really intense Fruit of the Loom campaign, right? We're okay. I did it. I did it. That's me mashing it. And then now I'm gonna try to, I'll hit heavy punch and then I'll try to mash into light punch. Yeah. I can't cancel it. I can cancel that. I can cancel that. Yeah, we did it. Cool. Can I just turn Banana into Honda for you? I will. There's definitely gonna be a Honda. We can't leave Johnny out. All right. Hell yeah, dude. This is it. Set up that meaty. Oh, I missed my meaty. There it is. That's the meaty. A knockoff Honda named Kia. All right. All right. A plum that's a plumber. A kiwi named Kia. That's Honda. Are you guys gonna actually make me make this fruit game? Okay, we did it. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, let's port this bitch over. So here's the thing. I want to hopefully get this in a different folder. I have this in the wrong. I want to reorganize my shit here. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. External, I want to get it in, no, I want to get it in UF2D project characters. That's where I got Appler right now. I got Appler down here in characters. I could put it in fighters as well. But Yeah, down there, that's where I want to port to. I don't know if it'll cause a lot of... everything might explode if I try to do this, but we're going to do it anyway. Okay. Perfect. I'm glad I solved that issue. So what do I need to do now? I need to... probably just save all this off. Take this, show an explorer. There it is. There's our banana little boy. All cute and cuddly. Inside our little game here. And we are going to cut that bitch. No. Let's go ahead and wrap that up. Banana boy. A banana boy. All right, there he is. There's banana boy. And let's get rid of the old banana on the desktop because I'm gonna confuse myself real hard later in life. So we're just gonna delete that. Never happened. It's gone. Out of sight, out of mind. Okay, time to port to the new framework. Ba-doo! Powering down. Folders. Cutie the orange. Oh my god, you guys. Alright, I'm writing them down. I'm writing them down. Nectarine the nectar? You mean Nectar the nectarine? What's a nectar? I've never eaten a nectar fruit. I have had nectarines, though. Nectarine the nectar. Honey the bee. Oh, fuck. Yo. Okay, so this is the one with the controller support. So let me make sure we got player 1 on keyboard, player 2 on keypad. Let me swap, or on gamepad. Let's swap that. Gamepad, keyboard. Let's go to let's get into the shit here. Forced by Cardi B. All right. I just take just clips from Cardi B songs, and like those become the voice lines of the attacks. Zealous Zucchini. He's like a paladin. He's like Lawbringer in For Honor. That shit would be tight. That shit would be tight, bruh.
Round 1. Fight.
Yes. Oh, I'm feeling at home. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah, ceiling shots. Can I add Ken? Am I allowed to add Ken? It's always nice when you already have a character that already exists and you don't have to conceive it into the world. You just get to have fun.
Round 2, fight.
Pear, but it's like Ice Climbers and it's like Pear. We literally name them Pear. Oh my god. Like their name is just Pear, P-A-I-R, and it's like 2 pairs. My combos are schnast. Oops, I meant to do. BL Mr. T. Alright, do we have supers? I gotta check if we have supers. Oh, we got supers. We got supers. We got supers. Okay. All right. We're going in. Here's Banana. Oh, is this? Okay, I created a spot for Banana Boy already. So maybe I should just... Yeah, let's open this up. We're gonna try to port Banana Boy into this spot, but we'll see how it might break everything. Let's just see how it goes. Right here. This is the new Banana Boy spot. That's actually not what I want. Oh, fuck. Characters, banana. Back that shit out. I want to go one folder up. In fact, let's just delete this. Let's just delete this and then go right here and then extract right here. There we go. Now we got gameplay. We got our state machines for all our moves. We got our fireball and the fireball state machine, which allows us to, it turns it into a banana peel on the ground. And then we got all of our sprites. Okay, everything looks good. Now, oh, wait. Okay. Everything looks good, but I might have just broken the world is the thing. See that? It's there. It's here. It looks like it's fine. But is it fine? It's kind of like you know, it's like fine, but I'm not really fine, you know. A cranberry named Ocean Spray. Grandma Cranberry. Named Ocean Spray. Ocean Spray seems like it would be a move. Ocean Spray would be a move that the Grandma Cranberry has. It's the V trigger. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, there's my input system. Okay. Did I do it? Like, all right, here's the peel. Let's go check the peel. Oh, hold up. This looks scary. Okay. Target state module. Let's reconnect this shit. Banana peel. Oh, shit. Banana peel my SM. Character SMs. Banana peel my SM. Character. Banana. Whoa. Oh, shit. What happened? How did this happen? Where's characters? Oh, boy. The world is exploding. Banana? How did this happen? The world has been inception-fied. Back out. Bail. Bail, bail, bail. What the fuck happened? I didn't copy it in twice. All right, let me see this. Let me see this. Click on banana. That's not what it says it looks like. Holy shit. I need to... Can I refresh this? Can I refresh this somehow? I'm going to refresh by bailing. I'm going to literally just bail on the world. All right, redo. The folders that I was looking at in the content browser was a different reality than what was actually existed on the computer. So when things like that happen with technology, you just run. You just fucking... You get the fuck out. Oh, back that ish up before it's too late. Exactly. We're already at a little save point here, so fuck it. Banana. All right, click. We're safe. Everything's fine. We get a redo now. Okay. Let me double check my state machines. And we should be good. Okay. There's the input system. All right, now same deal. Can we go? Okay. It's missing it. So it says it's in character SMs. Gameplay character. Banana gameplay character SMs. Banana gameplay character SMs. Banana peel. There it is. So let's go ahead and reapply that. Failed to load flip books. Banana peel referenced by K2 node macro instance. So if I go to this, then I go to the banana peel. Okay, right now we have it set where we can. What the? Okay. When did I set this up? Okay. Animation extension. This might need to be set. I might need to check this. This might need to be a... Oh, it's the flip book. It's the banana peel flip book. Right. Right. So then we want to go back down to... Let me go ahead and pull up another content browser here. And then... All right, characters, banana. Let's go to the flip books now. Start referencing that shit. This is the banana peel flip book. Banana, was it? Which one was it? Banana Man Peel. This one. Boom. Nailed it. Okay. Then it says it failed to load sprites now. Oh, I see what's happening. We're going backwards. We probably need to go in the other direction of import. We need to go from texture to sprite to... Oh, fuck. I see what's happening here. Watch this. If I hit play, shit's gonna get weird. Let's see what happens if I pull in banana. Yeah, it probably doesn't even... Oh, look at all them red. Look at all that red. Yeah. So we have our textures, but what we need to do is we need to recreate the sprites in this new framework. Yeah, I'm gone. I don't exist in the world. Banana Boy is gone! I understand. I understand the issue. So I was working from the state machines, but I need to go from the art to the state machines. Okay. So all of these sprites are basically trash, I think. Right. Anything, I'm going to click on all these. Yeah, if I double click on any of these, they're just going to keep going like this. And then they disappear into oblivion. Unless I'm going to possibly have a quick fix here. Highlight everything. Sprite actions. Apply paper 2D texture settings. And once we have that... Now does it work? No, it doesn't. We need to recreate the sprites. No big deal. Well, kind of a bit. It's going to take a minute to recreate this character, but I think I want to do it like this. I would rather the character be in the right spot in the long run at this point forward. So... a little bit of reorganization here, but it's probably going to be worth it in the long run. And we can always, like, worst case scenario here, we just... Banana Man is just in the top structure for life. He's just in the top folder. That's just where he lives. He's a god. He's the god of everything. That's his life. And it'll work. If I was to import this all in the top, I would not have to do any of this. Like, in the folder where it actually was. But this is the life. This is the life we live. Let's make some sprites. I don't need the banana palette sprite. Who cares, though? We got it. All right. Now we got to see the flip books. We got to check the flip book. Dogging flip book. Dogging about the flip book. After I port all this over, I'll probably make the walking animation for this character. I have a pretty good idea about how I want to make Banana Boy like actually do the walk. It's going to be like a kind of like a toy soldier walk. But leaning forward real fast, a little cloud of dust behind him, and then when he walks backwards, similar thing, but leaning backwards. Basically kind of how he's standing now. Toy soldier walking backwards, and then when he walks forward, he's going to have a real like angrily walking at them like a angry mom. That's going to be that's how he walks at them. And there, we're gonna have dashes too. We were talking about having his backdash be a moonwalk. I'm still super about that. His backdash and his forward dash is gonna be like him. It's gonna moonwalk. So he's gonna face backwards from what you would expect while he's doing his dashes. Right, all these flip books are broken now. Oh, but I can fix it like this, though. I can go... I still have my frame data. That's good. Because if I'm at the sprites, I can just do it like this. This frame is this. This frame is this. Sorry for the epilepsy warning that I did not warn you about. And there we go. We have a light punch. Let me make sure I'm at 60 FPS. I am at 60 FPS, and we're in there. There we go. That's a light punch. All right. Cool. This is the projectile. Which one was this, though? $60 FPS, one frame, banana projectile flipbook. Maybe it was just the... Maybe it was just this. Banana. I have a banana. I think it was just this. I think that was just my banana projectile. That shit's tight. All right, so I can make my flip books again easily. Banana icon. We're going to lose it, and then we just go back. So let's just, here, let's go the flip books. The sprites right here, and then I'm going to do the flip books up here. Character, or banana, visual, flip books. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. This is awesome. This is going to be very quick, relatively speaking. So here is our little thing in the corner, or by our health bar. We need air recovery. Banana Man air recovery. Which one was that? Still has a pulse. We're in there. Was it this one? I think it was this one. Was his air recovery. He's just like falling through the air with his little stubby boys out. Banana Man block. This is the stop sign with the forward facing with the stop sign. With the forward facing stop sign, because it needs to be flipped depending on, right? Because what the fighting game does is, depending on what side you're on, it flips your sprite. So I need, if I have words on my sprite, I have to have two versions of it. That's the exact same thing, but the word is flipped, basically. Right? So this is the one that's the correct way. So here's that one, and then the next one will be the two-player side, which is this. Same exact thing, but when it flips that sprite, it's now on the other side, but it looks exactly the same as the other one, but yeah, the word's right. Little tricks. This Banana Boy was like the perfect starting character to like figure out how to use this engine and everything, and like figure out how to put everything together and solve all these problems, because the idea of a fireball hitting the ground and then turning into a different projectile, that is like a very unique case that does not happen in fighting games. So like just being able to say something simple like I want a banana peel and making it is like a really good sign. And then little things, you know, the stop sign was another good test. Like, okay, can I have custom sprites depending on what side I'm on? So Banana Boy's been great. This shit's tight. The crouch flip book. That's this. Just while he's crouching, I think. Yeah, this is just the idle crouch animation, pretty much. Nothing fancy. And then the crouch blend, we actually have a couple. Yeah, there's two sprites for this. This one, and then, sorry for epilepsy, we're in there. Yeah, I just go down this list, basically. It's basically 1-to-1. Now he's crouching and he's blocking. Like, yeah, this is really easy to port. And that makes me very happy, because I was worried about this. I've been dreading this, but yeah, it's not a problem at all. So that makes me really happy for all the future characters I make too, because I was worried about getting too deep into this and then shit would suck to port all the time. But nope, we're chilling. Crouch end. Where's the crouch end? That's just another. It's the opposite way, right? It's crouch start. Holy shit, that happens fast. 2 frames? I think I need to slow that down. Crouch blend. Maybe I do need to. No, it's 1 frame each. Never mind. It's 2 frame crouch. Okay. Yeah, it should be fine. Did you ever show me the side scroller you made forever ago? Maybe? I remember when you were doing like you were trying to remake Angry Birds pretty much. Oh shit, look at this guy. Hell yeah. All in HTML. Yeah, that sounds like a nightmare. Crouch blend. Crouch blend. Crouch end. That feels like it's so much faster. That 2 frames looks way faster than this. Is this a 15? That's why. This is 15 frames per second. That's incorrect. That is not correct. All right. That is a little bit peepo hypers. I need to look into that one. All right, do I got all the frame data on my Heavy punch. I sure do, which was tuned pretty hard, and I'm glad I got it. Oh, wait. There's going to be... I don't know. We'll see. It's going to be close. All right. Sorry in advance for a little epilepsage. Banana Man. Yeah. Here we go. Boop. 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 Uh-oh. Yeah, I had a feeling this might happen. Okay. How does this look? That's close, right? Alright, we'll have to see it in-game to do tuning again. Okay. Well, that's pretty good. So here's the got hit. Here's the got hit sprite. Banana pops open a little bit there. You gotta watch for that. You gotta keep your banana sealed. All right, we gotta get our idle. A little two sprite idle. Very detailed idle animation. Nailed it. Beautiful. Beautifully detailed idle. The jump. 2, 3, 4. I think jump start is just the idle animation. Okay. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. This one's going to be a little bit interesting. Jump animation. Jump animation is a little bit sketchy one. Okay. Something like that. I don't really. Might have to be like, I don't know. Oh, it's... Yeah, I don't remember. Because it's going to do the jump animation, and then it's going to transition into just idle falling. So I need to be aware of that. All right, I think this is just idle animation. Idle 0 looks like it's probably fine for this. Maybe even idle 1, because like to show it's a little jump squat, goes down a couple pixels. That'll work. Banana man pal. The banana's buddy. Where's the banana's buddy? There's the banana's buddy. 300 frame. Yeah, that right there dictates how long he's going to stay out, probably. So I'll be able to edit it from there. And then the banana peel. What the hell is Banana Man peel again? That's him throwing the attack. Right, that's throwing the fireball. And that's also going to be the taunt, too. Taking off the gloves, per se. The bro-nana. Yeah, dude. That's his bro-nana. Alright, Banana Man peel. Joop. 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 My gosh. This just reminds me of how much work I've already done and how much work needs to be done. I gotta draw all these, you know. All right. That's good. We got sprites back, or we got animations. Yes. So now that the flip books are actually flipped and booked, does this just work? No, not quite. Oh, the animation. Here, I actually know where I can fix this very quickly, I think. If I go to this and I go to, well, let's save the character. Okay, it's compiled and whatever. The animation list, here's where we need to do the stuff. And we go back to the flip books. Boom. You go here. The animation list, standing idle. Where are you at? Standing idle. Standing idle. Please come to the front of the class. There it is. Standing blend. Fuck a standing blend. Move forward. Shit, he be sliding on the floor. What you think this is? Do you think I got time to make movement? I actually am. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow is when I want to make. I need to actually draw the walking animation. It's not going to be anything too crazy, but it's time. Crouch begin. We have a crouch blend. Where's that crouch blend? Boom. There's the crouch blend. Give me that crouch blend. Pop. Crouch idle. This is the crouching idle. Uh-huh. Crouching end. Where's that crouch end? There it is. Thank you very much. Crouching turnaround. No, we don't need none of that shit. Jump start, first grade. Where's that jump start? It's just like the idle. Jump start, there it is. We made a jump start. We got a jumping idle. It's all going to be the same jump right now. But we are going to have a forward and a back jump, which is going to like be a front flip and a back flip. At some point. There's a couple more moves that I need to make with this character. Probably two or three more normals, air attacks, and then the slingshot. And then we'll actually have a character. Jumping land, jumping land. Jumping land. See, that's the last. Jumping land. I'll just make it the idle and see what happens. I forgot how jumping land actually works. I might need to. Okay. This is good because I've forgotten how to do, or I've forgotten the nuances of a lot of this, so it's good that I report it all in so I can force myself to sort of like get refreshed on it. Okay. Crouching guard, standing guard, the startup. Start up to the standing guard. Standing guard moment. And then we want the attack, or we want the end to be the idle animation, because we don't want him to continue holding the guard out. We want him to return back to idle after he's been hit, basically. This one I do remember. And then the attack itself, I think also should be idle. Because that's just while the attack is going on after the impact. We could keep it. We'll see. Well, it'll all just matter, like, I'll know for sure. I'll just take one look at it and be like, oh, the stop sign is being held out for too long. And then I'll just Dial it back. What is the significance of the new framework? Is mostly refactoring and organizing. So while I'm actually designing, making all my characters and doing all this stuff, the framework itself still needs some work. Like, we just added controller support. That's what I'm doing right now. This new framework has controller support, and it has an input history. So, like, you know how you go into training mode and you press the buttons and you see the buttons that appear, like it scrolls up? This new framework has that. The last one I was in did not have that. So there's like a bunch of features being added that are like important to fighting games still, and I'm not going to be doing all that. That's somebody else. That's my boy Leon, and that's basically our partnership here. He works on the framework, and I give him input about what we need. Like, I just today I was like, yo, we need proximity normals because we need to easily be able to make it so I can have two different moves be on the same button depending on where you are on the screen. I was just talking to him about that like literally today. So, yep. It's literally like a partnership to make this game. It's funny because before I like found him, he was working on this framework, but like he had a lot of his stuff was like wrong. He was like he's like good at fighting games, but he's not like super savvy like I am, like in the fighting game community. And like he had some of the terms wrong. It was kind of funny. Like when I was making these sprites and I was trying to design like you go to a sprite, for example, the sprite. Actually, I need to, speaking of which, my hitboxes are all fucked up. So like this is a great example because here's the guard box, which is really, this is like what this needs to be the one that's like when you would do the attack. This is the one, like how far or how close are they like when they're in the box, do they actually put up a block? Like, you know how you can attack near people and then it'll like kind of like throw up the block that, so you get to actually design where that actually happens. And then the punch itself needs to be a hitbox right here. And like while I was making this the first time, this was not called a hitbox. Like, this is obviously the hitbox of the move. We can all agree on that. But he had it called like something else. I think he had it called like, I think he actually had it called hurt boxes. But it's like, no, this is the hitbox of the move, not the hurt box. And then the hurt box is what you is this one. The hurt box is this one. He still hasn't even named it hurt boxes, but it's it's the one that you put on the character, and it's the one that the character is going to take damage during the attack. And the way that you design moves, like normals in fighting games, is that I actually want there to be a hurt box around my attack, just ever so slightly. So when I do a move, when I do this punch, this is what makes it possible to whiff punish attacks. When we talk about whiff punishing in fighting games, it's literally impossible to whiff punish an attack that does not have a hurt box around its hitbox. This is how they make it possible. So when people stick their foot out and do a crouching medium kick, this is why you're able to react to it, press your button, and then your button beats their button. Because when your shit comes out, their hitbox is what's there first. So that is like something super simple like this is like nobody will ever tell you this. I literally had to learn this by looking at Guilty Gear hitboxes. I was like, I was just on dust loops, like looking at different moves and looking at their hitboxes and noticing that every move that's highly whiff punished, like that's designed to be whiff punished, is like this. And so, yeah, like it's gonna be cool, man. It's definitely all coming together. But I just looked at it, and this is all fucked up, though. I need to actually change my... Like, we need to change the pivot. My pivot's all fucked up. Oop. There we go. And when you edit the collision, yeah, there's... Oh, there we go. Yeah, there's the hurt box. There we go. So that would be the hurt box, right? And then the guard box is what I was saying earlier, that like if they're in this range, they're gonna block. So you don't want it to be too long, right? If you have this be too long, you'll have that's what Fantasy Strike does, and you're literally halfway across the screen and they're just throwing jab and you're getting stuck in that spot because their fucking guard boxes are out of control. So you want to tuck that into like right here. Close, but not too close, you know what I'm saying? And then yeah. This is just how we make a move. I mean, fuck, I'm right here. Like this needs to get done, so. Is this my anti-air too? This is my anti-air? See, this is why I like making this fighting game, because I like anti-airs, and I'm just gonna make every move. No, that shit would be sick. And here's the hurt box. See, it's just called a box right now. I need to talk to Leon about this. Like this light blue one is called a hurt box. He didn't know exactly what the right term was, so he just called it a box. And that's cool. Not expecting anybody to know have all the answers. Not even myself. That's why it's a group effort. Oh, really dope how you add the functions to the characters. Am I making sprites inside of UE as well? No, my sprites are done with A Sprite mostly and GIMP. A Sprite and GIMP are how I've been doing this. So here's my idle animation for my Apple boy. He's gonna be doing some shit like this. I kind of simulate the animation in this environment right here, and then I kind of tune it and figure out exactly how I want it to look, and then I port it over and kind of map the same amount of frames. So that's kind of, we got Appler doing some shit over here. I probably got an Appler attack, maybe. Let's see, where's the Apple tack? Shit. Apple overhead, here it is. Let me see. Apple overhead 10 to... Is this it? I think this is the move. I think I just do this. Agree. Is this the move? Oh yeah, the Apple or overhead. Look at that. I've been putting some work in. Things have been going on behind the scenes. I'm actually pretty proud of this one. This is like the first. This is about what I want. Like right here. like, this is about the quality that I'm trying to achieve in my like, if I could get every single move as good as this right here, I'm basically satisfied. Like, this isn't perfect, and there's always room for improvement, but like, this is a pretty good start. And it's gonna be, it goes faster in the engine, so like, yeah. This is like super nice. Gotta get that smear frame, this one right here, you know what I'm saying? You don't see it, but you feel it. That's the one right there. Oh my god, so good. So good. Yep. That's what we're doing. So then I just like pull all that in. I have all of those in as PNGs, and I drag them into the visuals folder, into textures. So I just import all the PNGs as textures, and then I apply the texture settings, then I create sprites off the textures, and then I create the flipbooks off the sprites, which are the animations, and here we are. And the sprites are what knows about the collisions. The sprite in the engine, the way that the framework is set up, we're looking at a sprite in the engine, and the sprite itself, you know, it is aware of all of these boxes that I'm putting on it. That is a really, really, really tricky part of fighting game development that not a lot of people get right. No engine will ever support this out of the box, and it is super fucking amazing that we have this. Super cool. Okay, this one probably also... I don't actually think I want a hitbox on this one. I want it to be like a 2-frame startup. So this one's only going to have a hurt box. And the hurt box itself is actually going to extend outward a little bit. So this one is going to be whiff punishable. Like, you'll be able to stuff this attack pretty easily. It comes out in like 2 frames though, so good luck. You have to preemptively do it. No human will ever react to stuffing this move. So here's our here's our hurt box. Then we need a guard box on top of that. We actually want the same guard box. What we really want to do here is we want to take this guard box, where is it? Wonder if I can just copy this. Let's see, Control C. I go over here, click on this, Control V. No, that didn't work. There's definitely a way to look at the... Oh, here they are. All right. There it is. So here's the collisions. There's all the hitboxes. Trying to see if any of these values change. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, so I take this one. All right. I get this one right here. copy. Then I go over here, click on this. Paste. Aha! And we have the exact same hitbox. It's hard to tell because they're different sizes. Yeah. It's the exact same blue box, which is what you want because it's the same move and there's no reason that the guard box would change on the exact same attack. So it's important that I do things like that, that copy and paste, and actually maintain consistency with these moves. Because I don't want to be sloppy. Like, if I'm sloppy, there's going to be a lot of different cases where I'm trying to, you know, I'm like running into issues for no reason at all. Like, there will be one pixel on the screen where if I try to do this move and this one edge case where he's standing in this one weird spot for one frame, he holds up a block, you know, that would be super obnoxious. Nobody wants that. So we're going to extend the hurt box slightly. Actually, you know what? This is pretty fine. Just like that. Just a little bit bigger. And then, yeah. You know, actually, no, let's not do it like that. Let's keep the same hurt box on him like that, but let's just make another one. Let's just add another small hurt box just slightly in front of him. And this is going to be the whiff punish box. Yeah, something like that. Just, you know, something pretty simple. It just like, just a small little subtle touch. It's going to go a long way to making the move feel like it should. It's going to make it feel like you're not getting cheesed. Okay. Well then. We did, okay, so that's standing light punch, and we fixed it. And we got to go back to the animation list. Did we get the guards? Crouching guard? No. Standing guard we got. Yeah. We need to finish up crouching guard, and then I'm going to see how close we are here. Crouching guard attack moment. Crouching guard moment. There we go. Oh, that's a sprite. I need a flip book. Okay, we got our sprites. All right, the grab event. If he gets grabbed, he's just going to turn into Ken. Sick. Okay. How close actually are we? I still don't think we're quite done. But shit. Okay. Damn, are we way off? Damn. I thought we were going to be closer than that. Okay, banana whatever. Banana boy. Shit. Okay. Thought it was at least going to like show okay. We got the peel there. The peel. Oh. Yeah, we're going to have to just put all these on. Interesting. Okay. Failed to load flip book. Right. Characters, banana, SP, SM. So yeah. You go into these, and then it's not going to have the flip book. It's going to be missing right here. standing heavy punch, which is right here. Boom. Okay. Okay. Now let's do it with standing light punch. Let's pull it in early. Like that. So that way when I go to the light punch here, and I try to find it, and I lock it in, and I compile, there's no errors. That's what I wanted to see. Holy shit. Okay. That was actually so much bigger than it even seemed. Okay. Then this is fine. Part of the standard animation list. So that should be okay. Is that it? So I have a feeling it's still not going to show. I have a feeling we're still going to run into issues. Yeah. I'm not sure why. From property animation system. Access none trying to read. Oh! I bet I know. I bet I know what the problem is. I bet I know what the problem is. So here's the animation system. Main character icon. Hold on. Where is the palette? Sprites. Sure. Where is... I mean, I don't need a palette anymore, but... Hmm. Oh, palette system off. Okay. That's what we want. Still no. Yeah, we might be getting fucked here on the folders. Because the sprites are being imported correctly, but the state machines are... still a little bit sketch. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I think I'm just going to port this to the top folder. There's like no reason to make it harder than it needs to be. The blueprint. The one issue I'm having here is that my animation system, I forget how the animation system references or is referenced by the blueprint class here, the actual main driver for the character. And if I can double check that, that's basically all I need to, like, I might just be missing that. See that? It doesn't, yeah, that's the issue. When I say show me this in a folder, it doesn't actually do it. Very interesting. What else? What else? What else? What else can I check? Mm-hmm. Go to your state machine. The state machine goes to... There's the banana. Oh, shit. Well, but this would not cause any issues. Like, yeah, I need to reconnect these target state machines too, but even if I did, like, I would just, you would think I would just have an error once I would get to this point. You would think it would at least have my idle animation, even if these two state machines weren't working, which they're not. I think this is going to end up being much less of a pain in the ass to just import it into the same folder that it is in. Because I have a feeling that there's, like, under the covers imports being made in the framework. And, yeah. Got me a ring. Nice. On Tiny Tina. Yeah. Yeah, let's just not fuck with it. Probably. So what we'll want to do... Oh, fuck. God, there's so much shit that got fucked up. This is the issue right here. Oh, shit. This is what's broken. All right, here's the issue. This state machine, basically, this is the one that determines that, like, it decides which sprite to show based on what side I'm facing. And it's all fucked up right now because all of the state machines need to be re-imported, obviously. But it's not just re-import it forehead because I can't remember why I have 3 of these. It's 3 similar classes. It's 3 similar, like, blueprints, but I need... But they all represent something different. Guard moment, guard start, guard attack. Pressing down, hit pause over. My name. Okay. Yeah. This is gonna be a fucking pain in the ass. This is definitely gonna be a fat ass pain in the ass to port across folders. That's just what it's come down to. If I'm gonna port, I need to make sure they're all in the same folder so this shit doesn't happen. Because this is, yeah. Because, like, my banana is a relatively simple character in his current state. He's like half as much shit that a normal character would have. Like, literally half of what a normal character would have. And, yeah, this fucking sucks. It's like a 2-hour thing and I didn't even... So, yeah, we want to make sure we get it right in the first place for each of the characters from here on out. The question is, do I want to rebuild Banana Man from scratch? I might just want to rebuild Banana Man from scratch in this engine. Just like using all these, you know, like remake all these files. Make a new animation class, make a new animation, make a new, you know, fighter blueprint. Just start it all over. That might be what I want to do. Because I have all the assets. So it would really just be copying and pasting a bunch. I could even copy it from the one that works and do it like one thing at a time. And just unit test it as I go. That's probably what I'll do. That's probably what I'll do. All right. We have half of a banana boy in the updated engine. Good. Nice 2 hours spent. I'll see you guys next time. Later.